Are you tired of auto shops that are stuck in the Stone Ages? So are we. That's why at DeBoer's Auto, we are committed to staying technologically competitive with other industries. The banking industry has mobile deposits. At DeBoer's Auto, we have online scheduling. The retail industry has online shopping. At DeBoer's Auto, we have digital vehicle inspections. The fast food industry has taxi delivery service. At DeBoer's Auto, we have a secured and convenient drop box. At DeBoer's Auto, we want to make sure your vehicle has to go to the shop, not you.